Reggie Bird has won Big Brother 2022 and taken out the $250,000 prize, and the social media has fired up after Reggie Bird became the first person to ever win Big Brother twice on Tuesday night. Describe herself as a down-to-earth Aussie battler, she becomes the only person to win Australian series twice, having spent a total of 148 days in the house. Reggie defeated superfan Johnson, Ashok and challenge beast Taras in a live final at the Harden Pavilion. The first full house 7 has been able to stay due to the pandemic.